gamer.
Hi guys, this is Yarno here and I need some help. I'm getting this tomorrow. This graphics card for my Dell 7050 Optiplex SFF to put in, and I've got an Intel graphics HD 630 in at the moment, so I want to replace this, but I don't know. I'm looking at this Quadro P1000. That's what I'm after. It's in notebooks, because I tried to look in here and I couldn't find anything for it. But when I clicked on this and I looked, when I viewed, say view it. Sorry, the fingers are slipping. When I view it here, it shows you when I look, when you go down and hit supported products, it'll show you here the Quadro, and there's, see the P1000, Quadro P1000 there. Do you download that? I don't know. Then it's how to restore. I'm gonna look at this. Upgrade, know what to do. You know, do you put it in safe mode? And I've got the DDU driver here. Do it. Use this first to take the Intel drivers off. Then after I put the NVIDIA one in, to open this. See, I honestly don't know. I'm at a loss. I just need. I've got a, as I said before, I've got a Dell. I'll just save this in, and I can watch this on my phone. I have a Dell 7050 Optiplex small form factor PC. So I'm hoping I can get this done, because I want to just use this for editing videos. That's it, and I don't need that. And I have a 1 terabyte anyway in it. So if I need any more of the RAM, I can just buy more RAM. There's no big deal, but I want to use this. Say I asked AI, was this compatible with my PC, and it was. As you see, it's 4 gigabytes, because I need a low profile graphics card, and this is what this is, and the wattage is only, I think, 47. So it's easy enough. It's will do, no problem. So again, this comes tomorrow. Please let me know, is this what I go into the Quadro, the notebook thing for the download these, and I'll have a look at this again, how to do this. Yes, I've done that. I'll be doing that and restart. So I'll have to have a look at this, because it says something about hit this. Will you do it and click off it again? You know, I have to wait and see, because I don't want to mess up the Windows drivers as well. So guys, hopefully one's in America or where else while I'm in bed and you might watch this. Please help me, please, because I am a complete noob. I have no clue about the internals of a PC. So thanks guys for watching, and please help me. Bye.
Thanks for watching.